I wanted to record here because there's just beautiful birdsong. I believe they're wrens. It's just so nice. But also just wanted to show you this little, very open, shrubby boreal forest. And so many plants here in this sort of mid-story have berries, which feed the birds. So this one is dogwood, has white berries. That, I believe, is chokecherry. We have buffalo berry, Saskatoon berry, rose hips. It's great. It's a very productive layer, which I think is very important to have in a healthy ecosystem so that all the birds can come.